Cooking for one or two in retirement. Keeping meals simple and nutritious. In retirement, cooking often shifts from feeding a full household to preparing meals for just one or two people. According to the National Institute on Aging, older adults benefit from balanced meals that include lean protein, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy. Eating well supports energy, strength, and overall health, which becomes even more important as we age. The key is simplicity. Easy, balanced meal ideas. Cooking for one or two doesn't have to be complicated. For example, breakfast could be scrambled eggs with spinach and feta, paired with whole grain toast. It's quick, high in protein, and packed with nutrients. Or try a light option like Greek yogurt topped with berries and a drizzle of honey. It's simple, satisfying, and supports bone and digestive health. For lunch or dinner, think in terms of mix and match basics. Grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. A simple bean and vegetable soup. A fresh salad topped with nuts and lean protein. Small portions, balanced ingredients, minimal waste. Plan smart, shop smart. Instead of planning 7 days at once, try planning 3 or 4 meals at a time. Buy ingredients that can be reused in multiple dishes. Freeze single portions to avoid waste. And keep your pantry stocked with healthy staples so you're less likely to rely on convenience foods. Simple planning makes healthy cooking manageable. Make cooking enjoyable again. Cooking doesn't have to feel like a chore. Try preparing meals with a spouse or friend. Listening to music while you cook. Trying one new healthy recipe each month. Staying engaged with food preparation can make meals more enjoyable and encourage consistent, healthy eating habits. Nourishing your independence. Cooking for one or two isn't about making less, it's about making smart choices. With simple planning and balanced ingredients, you can create meals that support your health, protect your energy, and help you continue living independently and confidently in retirement. Small table, big impact. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, let us know which recipe you'd like to see next, breakfast, lunch, or dinner ideas. And if you'd like more practical retirement tips on health, lifestyle, and financial confidence, follow along or join us at one of our upcoming seminars. Because retirement isn't just about managing money, it's about living well.